Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and know if someone unadded or deleted you on Snapchat or removed you or have blocked you. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what you would like to do first, go ahead, open your Snapchat app. Once the Snapchat app is open, go ahead, go to this chat box section where you can see all of your conversation that you have done so far with your friends, right? So if you want to know, let's say there is a person that has removed you, you're going to go ahead, search that person's name, and if you find that person, if you go to that person's profile, if that person have removed you or blocked you, you won't be able to check their snap score, because if they have removed you from their Snapchat or blocked you or unadded you, you will not be able to get access to that person's profile because that person does not have connection with you at all. And this is one of the simple way you can go ahead and check on that. If you are like curious about what friend have like unadded you, can go ahead, again go to your chat section and you can simply tap on any person, random person's profile, go to profiles, tap on the profile of the person. You can go ahead, see if the person shows their snap streak, their snap score. You're good to go. That person has not removed you. You can find that out. And I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.